Inspirational story of Yudhishthira and Karna. A man came to Yudhishthira in search of sandalwood for cremation of his father. Mahabharata has deep principles of life management, scriptures and leadership. There is a story in Mahabharata in which Yudhishthira and Karna are compared. In the story, when a person searching for sandalwood logs for his father's cremation reaches first Yudhishthira and then Karna. Know the whole story and the lesson of this story. When a person's father died, he started thinking that I should perform my father's last rites with sandalwood logs. It was raining at this time, so there was no dry sandalwood anywhere. The man thought that I should go to my king Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira had no shortage of resources. When the person reached Yudhishthira, Yudhishthira told him that there were plenty of sandalwood logs, but they had got wet due to the rain. Hearing this, the person left from there disappointed and reached Karna. Karna's condition was also the same, the sandalwood sticks near him were also wet, but Karna thought a little that till date no one has gone empty-handed from my door, this person should also not go empty-handed. The throne that Karna had, it was made of sandalwood. Karna immediately broke his throne and gave the sandalwood logs to that person. Yudhishthira also had a throne made of sandalwood, but he could not think of anything like this. After this incident, there was a discussion about who was the greater donor, Yudhishthira or Karna. We can learn 3 things about life management from this story. The first thing is that we should focus on the solution, not the problem. Yudhishthira saw that the wood was wet and concluded that he did not have dry sandalwood wood. Karna, on the other hand, thought of a solution to the problem. This is the key to successful life management. When the situation is complex, one should try to find a solution. Second thing, donation should be given wisely. Karna did not think that the throne would be cut, but he saw that someone's last wish could be fulfilled. This is true generosity, which takes a decision after understanding the time, place and the person. We should also act wisely while giving donation. Third thing, respect is not earned by position but by good deeds. Yudhishthira was a king, but this deed of Karna was superior. Because of such deeds, Karna is called Danveer. If we want to help someone, it is not enough to just look at our capabilities, we should also understand the time and the feelings of the other person. When we see someone in need, we should try to fulfill his need. Donate with understanding. This story of Karna and Yudhishthira teaches us that true service is that which is done with sympathy and foresight. Only then can we become philanthropists in our lives.